2025 Porsche 911 GT2 Rupees, the ultimate hybrid supercar. The Porsche 911 GT2 Rupees has always been the most extreme, track-focused version of the legendary 911. Now, in 2025, Porsche has taken things to an entirely new level by introducing hybrid technology into its most powerful rear-wheel drive model. But don't worry, this isn't about saving fuel. The new hybrid-assisted GT2 Rupees is built for one thing: pure, unfiltered speed. With 700 horsepower, 737 pound-feet of torque, and a 0 to 60 mph time of just 2.5 seconds, this is the fastest and most technologically advanced GT2 Rupees ever created. At the heart of this beast is a 3.75-liter twin-turbocharged flat-6 engine, but this time, it's paired with a Bosch motor generator unit (MGU) electric motor. The result is an instantaneous power boost, making the GT2 Rupees not only more powerful than ever but also faster through corners and more responsive on throttle. Porsche has engineered this hybrid system not just for acceleration but to enhance grip, improve weight distribution, and deliver a seamless driving experience. The top speed, over 211 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest production cars in the world. One of the biggest challenges with hybrid supercars is weight. Batteries and electric motors usually add extra pounds, which can negatively impact handling. But Porsche's engineers have worked their magic, keeping the weight increase to just 220 pounds over the previous model. A 1.35 kWh battery is neatly tucked behind the rear seats, while the electric motor is built inside the transmission housing, keeping the weight balanced and the center of gravity low. Additionally, extensive use of carbon fiber, magnesium, and lightweight materials ensures that the GT2 Rupees remains as agile and sharp as ever. Speaking of the transmission, Porsche has fitted the 2025 GT2 Rupees with an updated 7-speed PDK dual-clutch gearbox. The manual transmission is gone, but for good reason. The PDK is faster, more efficient, and optimized for hybrid power delivery. Combined with an upgraded torque vectoring system, the GT2 Rupees can transfer power to the road with an almost telepathic level of precision, allowing drivers to push the limits of performance without losing control. But it's not just about power. The 2025 GT2 Rupees has been sculpted for aerodynamics. Every vent, wing, and intake serves a purpose, maximizing downforce and stability at high speeds. The most noticeable change is the massive rear wing, which actively adjusts to optimize grip and reduce drag depending on speed. Larger front intakes ensure the engine stays cool, while redesigned side skirts and an aggressive rear diffuser work together to keep the car planted on the road. It's a race car for the streets, built to dominate both track days and high-speed autobahn runs. Step inside, and you're greeted with pure racing DNA. The cockpit is designed for serious drivers, with carbon fiber bucket seats, an Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel, and lightweight door straps instead of traditional handles. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time telemetry, showing lap times, G-forces, and hybrid power distribution. Despite its track-focused nature, Porsche still includes some modern comforts, such as Apple CarPlay, premium audio, and climate control. But let's be honest, the real music comes from the twin-turbocharged flat-6 screaming behind you. Porsche has hinted that the 2025 GT2 Rupees will break lap records at major circuits, including the Nürburgring Nordschleife. If the 2018 GT2 Rupees set a blistering lap time of 6:47, this new hybrid version is expected to shave off even more seconds, potentially dipping into the low 6:30s. This would put it in hypercar territory, challenging cars that cost millions of dollars more. Thanks to improved aerodynamics, better weight distribution, and a reworked suspension, the GT2 Rupees promises an even more intense driving experience than ever before. Beyond performance, the 2025 GT2 Rupees represents a shift in Porsche's future. By integrating hybrid technology into a high-performance model, Porsche is proving that electrification isn't just about efficiency, it's about unlocking new levels of speed, responsiveness, and handling precision. The hybrid system doesn't take away from the driving experience, it enhances it, giving the GT2 Rupees instant torque, better balance, and improved overall performance. Of course, owning one won't be cheap. The base